All the new videos published on my channel are now available in 10 different languages, which means that for any video, you can find 10 different audio tracks. Each audio track has a different language. That's because YouTube has activated automatic dubbing for my channel. This is different from automatic subbing, which means the subtitles are automatically generated, so you can find the text written for the subtitles when I talk. This is different from automatic dubbing. So automatic dubbing actually means that the whole video is available in different audio tracks in different languages. So let me show you how this looks like. So now if you check any of the new videos published on my channel, for example, we have here these two new videos that I just published 2 hours ago, and they are only available to members now, but they will be available to the public end of this week and next week. So if I open this video, for example,
c'est pour les centres de contrôle. Alors
you see it started directly in French. So if although the video is English, of course. So this is like an AI voice, if you listen.
Quand je crée un centre de contrôle. Donc si je passe à l'autre écran. Donc ici, nous avons créé un centre de contrôle dans le groupe de centres de contrôle ici. Et cela signifie que ce centre...
So you see the video is now in French. In order to change the audio track, you can also switch to the original audio track in English. You go to settings, and from here you have audio tracks. So as you see, we have 9 different audio tracks. So if I open this menu here, you can see all the different languages available. So we have Italian, Hindi, Indonesian, German, Portuguese, Spanish, Japanese, French, and English. There is no Arabic yet. I hope that YouTube makes it available soon because I really wish to see all my videos in Arabic. But for now, these are the languages that are available. So you can choose any language you want and the video will automatically play in this language. So for example, if I choose Hindi,
हम नीचे अन्य समूह भी जोड़ सकते हैं। यही मैं आपको 1 मिनट में दिखाऊंगा कि यह कैसे करना है। लेकिन चलिए कॉन्फ़िगरेशन पर वापस चलते हैं। तो अब हम जानते हैं कि
So as you see now, the video is in Hindi. I don't understand anything. I hope that you find the translation correct. So this is all automatically generated by YouTube, and this is different from automatic subtitles. You can still activate the subtitles if you want. So subtitles will write the text of what is being said here in the screen. So you can activate the subtitles from here. So you go to subtitles CC, and you can find all the different subtitles available here. For this video, for example, I only have English, which is automatic generated for now. I know that in some other videos, there are different languages in the subtitles. I'm not sure how YouTube activates it sometimes. So for some videos, you will find different subtitle tracks, and in other videos, you will find only English. I'm not sure how this works exactly yet. I'm going to look into this, but this is how you can activate the subtitles. So now you understand how to activate the subtitles and how you activate the different audio tracks. So you can listen to the video in the language that you understand. I still recommend that you learn SAP in English because most of the information that's available online, so blogs, articles, SAP questions and answers, SAP notes, videos, most of this is in English. So you still need to learn SAP in English in order to be able to automatically to self-learn the new topics in SAP. So you need to learn SAP in English. But if there is something in the videos that you do not understand in English, then you can switch to your own language, listen to it, and then maybe listen to this part again in English. So this way you can improve your English level and increase your English proficiency. I personally do this for French currently because I already speak French for general topics, and also I do speak French for some SAP topics, but I still need to improve my vocabulary and terms in SAP in French. This is why personally I started listening to my own videos in French to improve my vocabulary, and I find this very useful. So let me know what you think about this feature in the comments. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.